Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Happy Valentine to all my wonderful subscribers, for all my well-wishers. I wish you a happy Valentine. Today is Love Day. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. So I decided to come up with a lovely video to spice up your day. So if you like to learn how I achieve this, kindly watch this video till the end. Without wasting time, let's get started. Here are the things we're going to need for making this egg tulip flower. I have this egg shell. I hope you all know this is an egg shell, okay? So what I did was I just break the egg from the tip, then remove the egg inside, then I rinse it very well with hot water in order to remove the odor of the egg. Okay, we don't want the odor to be smelling, so because we're going to make a flower out of this. And I'm going to need this wire. Okay, this is not millenary wire, this is normal wire for the use for electrical shop. Okay, you could use millenary. Millenary wire is quite tiny and too expensive to be used, so you can get your wire from an electrical shop. Then I'm also going to be needing this crate of eggs. I hope you know this. So now let's okay, the next item is my acrylic paint. Acrylic paint. I have different colors, so I'm just going to take a container, any container at all. So I want to use this. I'll take one of it and pour it here, and I also have my brush that I'm going to use for them. Okay, so now let's get into business. So I'm going to take this yellow now and punch it open. I'm using the back side of it to punch a hole on it. So I'm going to make different colors of this tulip flower. Okay, you can see it's thick. So I'm going to take my brush and take one of the egg. Just hold it, place my hand here like this. Okay, just touch. Let me use the other one. So you just paint. So this is how I want it to be. I don't know why the light is so bright. Let me try to adjust. Okay, I think it's dim. No, I think this is okay. The light was too much before. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Add the generous amount. Then you just keep it right there and take another one. Continue with the same process. Here are the ones I have done. You can see how nice they look, right? I'm just going to go ahead right now and make the leaves I'm going to place underneath the tulip. For this, I'm going to just go ahead and cut it like so. You can see the way I'm cutting them. I'm using my hands. You know, this crate is very fragile, so if you don't take care, it will just cut in the wrong way. So that's why I'm using my hand to cut it in this manner. So I'm going to take one of it, okay, like this, or anyone. Try to cut it in 4 parts, okay? Just cut it. You will need a smaller scissors. I think it's better to use a small scissors. Just put mark. Okay? Once you put your 4 marks, you try to cut it in V shape from here. Okay? Okay, this is how we want it to be. So thereafter I will take my paint again. This time around I'm using green. I'll keep painting it like this till I achieve a uniform color, okay? I mean, everything is going to be the same, okay? So once you're done, you're going to leave it so you can dry. So I'm going to go ahead now and cut the rest, okay? After cutting it, I'm going to go straight ahead to the next stage. You can see the wires I cut. I cut these wires in sizes like 9 inches for each wire. So what I'm doing, you can see this thing I'm holding. This is a flourish tape, okay? So I just use my tissue to round the tip of the wire. Then I'm using this flourish tape to wrap it, as you can see. Can you see it? So I'm wrapping the tissue, the essence of this, so that when I put the leaf, it's not going to fall off, okay? So you can see it is stick there because of the tissue I added at this very point here. So that's how I want it. You know, normally a normal flower will usually have the stem close to the flower thick, okay? That's why it's like that. So here is the leaf or the stalk. Well, I say the stalk or the leaf. Okay, so I'm just going to use my needle, the pin, the wire to punch it in, okay? You can see that I left a little space where I used to punch it in, so that the stalk that is thick will not obstruct my pushing the wire into this under of this leaf, okay? The bottom of the leaf or the hem of the leaf, I don't know what to call it, please. So after that, I just added glue at the inside to secure it, to hold it. Then I'm also adding glue at the bottom side of it so that it can be firm. So I will hold it for some minutes so that it dries. Once it dries, I'm going to release my hands. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now. You can see how nice the leaf is looking already. The leaf that is going to be at the base of the flower. Can you see it? So this is it. Thereafter, I'm going to take this tulip. Then I'll add some glue again at the inner part, each of the leaves, okay? So you can see I'm adding glue at each of the leaf on the inner part. Then I'll just take it. You see the side that I punch, that I cut the egg or that I open, I'm going to face it down so that it's going to be covered. No one will know where the inner part is or the hole is, okay? So I cover it there. I just use the stem, the leaf, to cover it. Can you see it? So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process on all others. So I just punch it again. I'm adding my glue as well. So you can see this flourish tape is very important because it makes the wire looks like a stem, okay? So I put in my tulip egg again, my tulip flower, let me not call it egg. We're done with them. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and assemble them. Okay, you can see I made various colors for Valentine. So you could use one single color, you could mix them up like this. It's a matter of choice, okay? So I'm just going to assemble them like this. Just mix them up. You see this one? You see that I didn't add the color at the tip. It looks like a flower that just coming out. So that's why it's called tulip, okay? It's our tulip flowers. would believe that these flowers were made from empty shell of eggs and an empty crate of egg. Can you see what creativity can do? So just be creative and innovative and you will get there. I'm loving this. Wow, they look so beautiful. So anything is possible once you are creative. See, I'm using my ribbon to tie them together. Yeah, here is it. We're done with it. Can you see it? Is it looking nice? This is our tulip flower. It's ready. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What is called crate that I used to make this leaf. Wow, this is nice. Do you like this video? If yes, please give it a big thumbs up and try to do something like this to beautify yourself. So I'm going to set it up right now so you can see how it is in my living room. This is it. So maybe I'll tie a ribbon here. Or let me look for a red ribbon and tie it here so that it can fill up here a little bit. But I want these stones to show. That's the swag. Do you like what you are seeing? Please begin to give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Since I have some yellow tulips, I'm going to use yellow ribbon to make something like ruffles, okay? Just like this. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, okay? Can you believe that an eggshell could make a tulip flower like this? You can do anything, just be creative, okay? This is an eggshell, and I was able to use to make flower tulips, so try to make yours out. If you like this video, please, as usual, give it a big thumbs up, and please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting notification anytime we upload new videos. We upload videos every Mondays. Please give it a thumbs up once more. Stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.